Oh yeah! It's contest time, mother.
Shit. Damn. Goddamn. Slow feet, don't eat too best, too life.
Before I start this off, please like, subscribe, share this video, comment down below if you've entered the contest the minute that I give the rules. But the rules will be simple. I'm gonna start this off by saying thank you, not only for supporting me, but just for motivating me to keep this going, to keep this journey going, and just being able to have a foundation and I want to say an audience to be able to express myself artistically. It is honestly an honor to have you guys a part of my family. Let me just pop some celebratory bubblies because I damn well deserve that. My day off. I literally just finished whipping up these pieces for you guys. I don't want to say this is what I've been working on for like 5 years. This is just something that I finally was able to put my money towards. And just, I finally made my first product that I know I can sell to you guys, and it's not biting off of another concept. It's something that came from my head, something that I would wear. It's something that anyone who is around me would probably wear. Let's get this started with the rules, y'all. Rule number 1, you have to be following my VNCHEZ account, which is my personal, my VNCHEZ account, which is my branding account, and you have to be subscribed to this YouTube account. Rule number 2, which is very important, I will be posting a post with the picture of the prizes in them. Repost that post. The whole point to you reposting that post is to get other people to join the contest. Be stingy and not repost a post for a greater chance to win, because the winners will be picked at random. And rule number 3, have fun. And let's have a good time, man. My other contests will be way more creative. I'll have you guys make edits for us and we'll pick them, or I'll have you guys draw like a logo for me or something, a concept, and then that winner I will drop your design onto a clothing piece of mine, and you know, we can get that thing going. So I have different other contests that will come in the future, but this one right here, I wanted to make it real simple, just a repost. It's not that serious. You can repost it on your story, you can repost it on your profile. You get a greater chance if you post it on your profile because I'll see it. If you post it on your story, I won't be able to see it. But those are the 3 simple rules, and now let's get to them prizes, boy. I think I need a swig, like my guy 2 Chainz calls it.
A little bit of swig. We call this a swig.
I said earlier that this was a celebratory day for me just because I'm finally showcasing something that I've put my all into. Drum roll, please. I want to kindly introduce you guys to my first and official drop for VNCHEZ. Goddamn. Let's just get a closer look at these babies, yo. Oh my god. Shout out to your boy. These were handmade by me and only me. Can I get this right? I call it the PVC Gucci duffel bag. We got the Gucci detailing on the side panels. We got the VNCHEZ logo on the front, and then we have some nice acrylic chain detailing to give it some detail. Like I said, these were all handmade by your boy. I feel like this PVC detail just is a representation of me as a stylist. I know PVC is very in right now, but PVC products out here are pretty expensive, so I wanted to drop my own, and yeah, keep cheesing because I didn't think that this idea was drawn out first, and then I thought about it, and then I was like, there's no way I can make this, but there's an important detailing in there where I added some barbed wire detailing to these bags, but you will have an option of taking this detailing off. You can get it without the barbed wire. I know that that's a little, you know, reckless, but I added the barbed wire for my savages because I know, you know, I got a lot of people out here that are with the shits. But yes sir, I'm happy. I couldn't wait for this moment, but I got one more surprise. One more. When this contest is over, which it will be over in 2 weeks, these bags will be dropping on the VNCHEZ site officially, my guy. And not only will they be dropping on the VNCHEZ site, but you can and you will be able to purchase these on your own. You don't have to like fight your way to win them. They will be affordable, they're stylish, you can wear them with anything. But one more surprise that I was holding on for you guys. They will be dropping in 2 more colors. The barbed wire detailing will come in different assorted colors for you guys. Again, I want to thank you guys for being awesome, for standing around and being my VNCHEZ fan. I want to thank you guys for sticking around and, you know, being supportive and showing love and letting people know who we are. And I'm not talking just about me, I'm talking about my brother, Steph, everyone that's around me. You guys are so supportive and it blows me every single day. Again, I think this calls for a trailer video. My guy just jumped on that stripper pole with some water slides. Be sure to join in and enter the contest. The minute that you follow all my accounts and you repost that post, you are entered in. And the final surprise that I will be dropping on y'all is that Jen and Steph will be picking the prizes on live on my account. The contest officially starts today, July 15th, and will end on July 29th. So you have 2 weeks to enter this contest. We will be picking 2 winners. Yes sir. Join in, like, subscribe, share. You already know the deal. I love y'all. Eat your grapes and your vegetables and drink your waters. Have a great summer, y'all. Be safe. Deuce deuce.